Master the art of investing. An investor is someone who puts their money into something like a company, property, or a stock with the hope of making more money. An investment is the act of putting your money into something like that. There are many types of investments available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. Each type of investment has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For example, stocks can offer higher returns, but also carry more risk, while bonds tend to be less risky, but offer lower returns. Investors can invest in a variety of ways, such as buying stocks on a stock exchange, investing in a mutual fund, or buying real estate. They can also invest in alternative assets such as art, collectibles, or precious metals. Advantages of investing include the potential to grow wealth over time, to earn passive income, and to take advantage of compound interest. It can also provide a hedge against inflation, and it can create opportunities to diversify a portfolio. Disadvantages of investing include the risk of losing money, the potential for fraud, and the time and effort required to research and analyze investments. Additionally, investment returns are not guaranteed and can fluctuate based on market conditions. It's important to consider an individual's investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon when deciding where and how to invest. Additionally, it's important to conduct proper research and due diligence before making any investment decisions.